Welcome to the King's Hall boarding house, which is home to over 40 pupils and also comes with a friendly cockapoo Snoops. He's so lovely and you'll often find him spending time with his boarding friends. Let's go and explore. The boarding house at King's Hall offers a warm and friendly home-from-home environment. It is split into 3 separate areas: senior boys, junior boys and girls. Most dormitories house up to 8 beds and pupils have their own set of drawers and space in which to personalise. Each area also comes with its own common room, which is perfect for kicking back with a good book or just spending time with friends. All are uniquely decorated and come complete with comfy sofas, endless ball games and everyone's favourite, a flat screen TV. King's Hall accommodates for all kinds of boarders, weekly, flexi and casual, so no matter your boarding style, you always feel part of the family. At the weekends, boarders are able to take advantage of our beautiful setting, and at this time of year would normally find them outside exploring the woods and surrounding countryside. During the winter months, they can often be found enjoying movie nights and gaming tournaments in the common room, or baking delicious treats in the cookery school. King's Hall is a fun, safe and happy place to spend your childhood, and being part of the boarding community really is the cherry on top of the cake.